video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Paintball script by Prism scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you're going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around $24. You just to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we will receive these files. We have to install them into our FiveM resources. So I'll be installing them in a new folder which I have created over here. Now open the Paintball folder. Then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration from where we can start our paintball matches. So I'll be keeping it default for now. If you want to add your avatar, then you have to provide the API key over here. So I'll be keeping it default for now. These are the configurations for weapons over here. These are the configurations for map, and there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So open your ambulance script which you are using. So in my case, I'll be opening the QBox medical. Then go to client, then dead.lua. Now come to the line number 119. Now here we need to add this line of code. You will find the code in the description below. Now open the wounding.lua. Now here also we need to add this line of code. Now scroll down over here. Now here also in the line 150 we have to add the same code. Now before starting up the server, make sure to ensure the script in the server.cfg. For that, copy the name, open the server.cfg just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and this is the location in the map over here where we can start our paintball match. Now over here we have to interact with this pad with our target eye, then click on paintball menu. So this is the menu of paintball match. Over here it is showing the leaderboard. In the lobby list you will find the list of all the current matches. So now let's create a lobby. So these are the map options over here. Over here you have to provide the lobby name and the password. Over here you can add the timer in minutes, and this is the option for maximum player capacity. Over here we can select the game mode. There are 4 different types of game mode over here. First one is the team deathmatch, second one is the capture the flag, third one is the one in the chamber, and the last one is the gun game. After selecting the game mode, you have to select the weapon from here. After everything is done, click on create lobby. So this is the lobby over here. So to start the match, you need one more player. So as I'm solo in the server, I'm not able to start the match. So you can find the match on the listing. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.